Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can separate audio from a video using Microsoft Clipchamp. So what we need to do, first of all, open up the Windows search bar, type in Clipchamp, open that up. Once it's open, you need to import your media. So click on the top, select the video file from which you want to extract the audio. Once that's open, just drag that and drop it into the timeline below. There it is. So now we've got two options to extract the audio. So first of all, top right, click on the audio icon, and you can see there's a detach audio option, or you can right click on the actual timeline of your video, and you'll see a menu there that says audio, and you can select detach. So I'll just go for the top right hand one. If I just click on detach audio, you can see straight away here at the bottom in the timeline there is a new stream, which is the separated audio stream. And if you look at the top right, you can see that Clipchamp has actually exported and saved that audio file into the downloads folder of your PC. So once that's done, you can then decide if you want to make any modifications to that audio stream. So if you click on the audio stream in the timeline, you can see here, you can adjust the volume level. You could also fade that volume in and out, so it comes in quietly and fades out quietly. And you can adjust the fade in and fade out in terms of time scale. And if you want to, you can also speed up or slow down that audio track. Obviously, also, if you've exported it and it's now a separate file, you could delete it and replace it with a new audio file, or you could even use it in an AI enhancer, and you could enhance that video file with various enhancements. So once you've done that, obviously, as always, you could export your corrected video by hitting the export button at the top. Click on that, select the highest resolution, 1080p. While it's doing that, you can change the title. Let's just call that exported. And there we are, that's done. The new video with separate audio has been downloaded and exported to your desktop. Hope that video helps. Keep an eye out for new Clipchamp tips and tricks. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing and maybe even hitting that notification bell so we see each other in the next video. Take care, everyone.